Hey guys, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. On today's 3-Minute Thursday, we're going to be talking about something that actually could save your life. However, it also could help you take notes if you needed to write something down in the wilderness. So if you want to learn more about this cool pen, stay tuned. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, on today's 3-Minute Thursday, we're going to be talking about the Sminiker Survival Pen. I've seen these things quite a bit, and actually the reason I bought this thing was because it was not much more than a regular pen. It comes with 4 refills for the pen, which is really nice. And I'm kind of an old school guy when it comes to, when I go out camping or things like that, if I'm spending multiple days out somewhere, I like to take a notepad and a pen with me just to take notes, to write down, miles that I drove that day, to write down some of the sites that I've seen, to make notes of minutes in my dash cam where I need to record things like, hey, I saw a really cool site off the right side of the road at, 2:29 p.m., for example. So I'm kind of an old school pen and paper type of guy when that sort of stuff happens. So I saw this thing and I thought, you know what, for the money, this thing is definitely worth it. It was about $12, I think. I'm going to post an Amazon affiliates link below. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this pen, please click on that. It doesn't cost you anything, but it gets me a couple cents for every one that you buy. So yeah, this thing is pretty cool. It's heavy. It's made of aluminum, so it's not going to rust. It's this nice sort of flat black, look. It does have a glass breaker on the end of it. So again, I will always have this on me. I just strap it to my MOLLE panels on the outside of my backpack, so it's always right within reach. So I don't plan to flip my vehicle. I don't plan to end up in water somewhere, but you never know. So if I did, it'd just be nice to have one more option nearby that I could grab and go boom and bust out a window. Again, that's not my main purpose for purchasing it. My main purpose is to have a badass looking pen that has refills and doesn't cost much, right? It looks way cooler than non-aggressive, non-attack pens. So, if you're looking for something that is aggressive looking and can write, this is definitely a good option for you. Again, it's just got a great grip on it. It does feel really good to write with. It has a nice size to it, so when I'm writing, it does feel nice. My hand stays pretty well put on it. It attaches to my MOLLE panels really well thanks to this long clip. It's got a glass breaker on it. That's about all I can say about it. It is a cool thing, and for the price and the reviews that were on it, they were all really good. And now that I've used it for, a couple months, I love this thing. I think it's great. So again, if you're an old school paper and pen type of person and you're looking for something that is, Foverlander-ish or Overlander-ish and serves a couple of purposes besides just being a pen and is hardy and writes well and feels good in the hand, this is a great option for you. Again, I will post a link down below to it, so if you're interested in it, please click on that below and go buy yourself one. That's pretty much it for this week's 3-Minute Thursday. So thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Get out there, live, learn, discover. And comment below if you guys have pens that you use, or if you're not big pen users, or what apps do you use if you use your phone. I do that sometimes too. But please comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Hope that was helpful. And we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.